Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Chimp. Today we will talk about the MiniTool Shadow Maker software. So let's start. Open the minitool.com website to download this software. This is the best free backup, cloning, and restoring software. Through this software, you can safely backup, clone, sync, and restore data. You can also schedule backups like hourly, daily, and monthly. Click on the free download button to download this software. After downloading and installing MiniTool, it looks like this. Here you can see we have multiple tools like backup, sync, restore, manage, logs, and tools. Click on the backup link. Here we have two buttons, Source and Destination. Click on the Source button. You can select disks, folders, and files. I am selecting disks and partitions as sources. You can select any disk drive from the list. Just click on the checkbox. Now, select the destination folder where you want to create a backup file. After selecting the destination, click the OK button. Here we have Options button. Click on it. In image creation mode, there are two modes, Sector Backup and Sector by Sector Backup. In Used Sector Backup, it will copy only used sectors of the file system. This will reduce the size of the image file and the backup duration. In Sector by Sector Backup, it will copy all sectors, whether used or not, resulting in a longer process. Select according to your requirements. Click on the Schedule Settings button to schedule backup. To activate this, click on the On button from here. We have so many options to backup like daily, weekly, monthly, and on event. If you want to backup daily, select times from this list, like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and many more. In the weekly option, select a day like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. and start time also. In monthly options, select dates like this and start time also. You can select multiple dates. In the last on event option, select start time at log on and log off. It will start a backup when you log on or log off according to your selection. After selecting Backup Schedule, click the OK button. Now you can click on Backup Now or Backup Later. The Backup Later button will start backup later on. The second option is Sync, which is used to sync between two different files and folders. If you want to sync, just select the source folder from the list. Then select the destination folder as well. Click on the Options button to see more settings. In comparison mode, it will compare the contents of the file. In the Filter option, you can exclude backup files from a given list. Just check or uncheck these files according to your requirements. In this module, click the Sync Now or Sync Later button according to your requirements. The third option is the Restore option. This option will restore the backup file. You have to add a backup file to this link. Currently, I do not have any backup files, so it is showing this pop-up. If you already created a file, then select that backup file and restore it to your computer. In the Manage option, if you select this checkbox, it will shut down the computer when all the running backup tasks are finished. In the Logs option, all the tasks will be listed here. You can save and delete logs with these two buttons. In the Tools option, there are more tools like Media Burner, Add Boot Menu, Dismount, Clone Disk, PXC, Remote, and System Booster. You can use these tools to perform different tasks. If you click on the Home button, then you can see all the last backups, next backups, and available restore images. So guys, if you want to create a backup, restore, or sync the system, then go to www.minitool.com, download this software, and perform all these tasks. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates.